Yes, guys, finally we made it with the plane. So finally we made it, but we're not there yet. We still got 6.5 hours. My man said 7 hours or 8 hours. But 7 hours, guys, with my long legs. Long legs. At least
You can push on it.
now I'm pleased now. The guy is not there. It's like, bloody hell. We got a big weight on him. But anyway, it's all good. The world traveller is here.
Hi, Kamish, on board.
Hey, he's on your way, isn't he? Move out the way. Move out the way. The Queen is on the way. Hey, get out of my way. I need to go find my seat. That's what she's saying. So guys, it's all good. All good, all good. We're waiting for people to board in and then hopefully we'll get off. And then patient. Almost 7 hours, 6.5 hours. 6.5 hours, guys. Yeah.
Excuse me, you might say 11F.
People having
11F.
people having issue with their seats.
You're 11A. You're on my side then.
Sorry. My bad.
No, it's fine. No problem. It's just that my friends are sat here as well, you see. I would have swapped, but my friends are sat here too.
Guys, people having issues with seats and stuff. There's a gentleman earlier in front of us with the family. Got moved for the back. Well, I believe I'm on my right seat, guys. Indeed, yeah. So we are good. We're waiting. It's gonna be a long wait. So at least it's 6.5 hours. So we take off now, but it seems like it's gonna take a bit long. It's gonna take a bit of time. Don't know what time is it. What time is it, bro?
1:30.
1:30. Supposed to be just taking off now, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, there's people that take
People still boarding up. So we're supposed to be taking off at 1:30.
Yeah,
So people still coming in. So we gotta wait. The gates are not closing. The gate's supposed to be closed at 12:45. So and we didn't get here till about after 1. So still waiting. Still waiting. There's still more people coming in. I think people are struggling to find their seats and stuff. It's more likely we're going to be delayed. I don't know how long we're going to be delayed for, but we're supposed to be taking off at 1:30. Still, passengers are still boarding in.
Put it on, it'll be checked off.
Patient. But anyway, guys, so I'll keep you updated how TU is. We're flying with TU. Actually, it's the first time we're flying with them. TU. See, we'll give them feedback. We'll give them a feedback and we'll reward. We kind of give them a feedback as well and rate them. We'll give them a rating as well. Let's see if the service is great or the service is Still a lot of people coming in, guys. Still more people. Still more people boarded in, guys. More and more. It's gonna be a long wait. Everyone's having issues with their seats.
Oh yeah, never again. Only did once. Only ever did once.
People having issues to find their seats. Still people coming in.
Good afternoon, everybody. On behalf of Jimmy Airways, on board is going to be 737 for your flight, Joe. Flight time is 6 hours.
6 hours? No, it's half an hour.
So we get out of here as quickly as possible. Please take your seats as quickly as you
6
can.
hours, guys.
Space.
So let's see.
This is a very full flight.
Well, we never know yet. We're not up the sky yet. It might be some. Let's just be positive. So, guys, now it's 6 hours now instead of 6.5 hours. So it's 6 hours. We're supposed to be taking off by now, but we're still waiting.
If you do need any further assistance, please let us know of the cabin crew. Thank you and enjoy your flight.
So the captain says 6 hours. So we take that. For, we're happy with that. 6 hours. What's man got there? What's man got there? Is it a deer? A beer? Deer there? No, not a penguin.
Yeah, I feel it. Huh? I feel it.
So you're going to be on this team here? Yeah. These are quite small ones. Yeah, you can have it on there. There's a little bit of space here.
There's still people coming in, guys.
What's your head? Like, if you see there's any space? Yeah. There's a little bit of space in this one. Because yours is a rolling case. Because your case has wheels.
It's going to be a problem.
Try and stick it in here. Maybe I'd put it on the floor only because in case we have a heavy landing, you don't want it to shatter.
My stuff's still alright. I think teams should be more organised. They're not that organised. People if we can find their seats.
Is that your code there?
No, that's not mine.
Oh, Max, I feel your code there, son. Huh? Somebody's Max.
Is that yours?
Yeah, I got it. No, it's down there, most of it. I had to go up there to find a city to come back.
Snookered there.
You're going to get past it.
People snookered, man. I tell you, TUN should be more organised than this, man. Should be more organised than this.
I'll have to try the same thing, but I ain't nimble as well. Sorry.
It's interesting.
There you go.
It's interesting, man. Okay, snookered. See you, man. First time, but the best waiting, though. They wouldn't have it for me. I tell you no lie.
Yeah, go that direction, man.
It's really not organized at all. Staff have to find their own ways and stuff. Alright, okay. People still boarding in. I think this captain has announced so soon and early as well, because 6 hours and people after 10-15 minutes people still coming in. So we'll get a timer.
You didn't believe me, bro.
People coming in. Might be the final one there now. It's over there. So hopefully that will be the
Two Airways,
final.
everybody, we can ask you please to take your seats as quickly as possible to use all available space. When you are seated, please place your F25 into flight safe mode.
At the back now, and then we're good to go.
And please fasten your seatbelts.